Allah will bring it back when Allah chooses to bring it back. During this period of time, unless you are a member of a jama'ah with the Amir, and you put your hands in his hands and you give a pledge, and when you give your word, you keep your word. And then he enforces the deen on the members of the jama'ah. No nonsense Islam. Unless and until you do that, you cannot be a part of the struggle for the restoration of the Khilafah. I was born in the island of Trinidad, off the coast of Venezuela, far away, from ancestors who came from Hyderabad, Deccan, 150 saal pehle. But I studied Islam in Pakistan many years ago. And in 1996 I came here because Dr. Israr Ahmad had this book translated into Urdu and published, and he wanted me to come here. And when I came and I saw his Jamaat, I fell in love with it. Chota se, small but beautiful. And I remembered the hadith which Al-Azhar University had quoted after the abolition of the Khilafat. مَنْ مَاتَ وَلَمْ يَرَ فِي عُنُقِهِ بَيْعًا فَقَدْ مَاتَ مَيْتَةً جَاهِلِيَّةً. Whosoever dies without the obligation of bay'ah, the imposition of bay'ah, to listen and to obey the Amir, you die the death of Jahiliyyah. And so I put my hands in the hands of Dr. Israr Ahmad and became a member of this Jamaat, Tanzim Islami. I've never regretted it. Alhamdulillah, I believe I became a better Muslim. This is the important message of this conference today. To be a part of the struggle for the restoration of the Khilafah, the return of the Khilafah, you must be within a jama'ah. You cannot be a flock of sheep without a shepherd. Nor can you have a shepherd who cannot recognize a wolf when he sees one. Today we have shepherds whose salaries are being paid by the wolves. And so we end with this, that the countdown has begun. The stones are speaking in the Holy Land. No one can stop them from speaking. None. The stones will continue to speak, but only the heart of the believer can hear it. And this is why, as we struggle for the return of the Khilafat, it is important for us to direct an internal struggle, for the heart to be turned to Allah, not to the Toyota Camry, for the heart to be turned to Allah, that we should give this commitment to Allah. Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. Sab kuch, sab kuch, sab kuch. Verily, my prayer and my service of sacrifice and my very living and my very dying, everything is for you.